In today's video, we are going to be spending another $5,000 in the 3-coin $100,000 challenge. And I'll be showing you my third and final pick for this challenge. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. As you guys know, we are on a mission to make $100,000 in 30 days with 3 coins. So, if you've seen the first video, we picked Uniswap. In the second video, we picked the graph. And so far, both are doing pretty good. Let's see how much we have made with the first 2 picks in just 2 days. So our first pick was Uniswap. We invested $5,000 in this coin 2 days ago, and right now it is worth $5,270. So not a bad return for 2 days. But in my opinion, Uniswap is getting ready to skyrocket and make us a boatload of money. And now let's talk about the graph, which was the second pick that I picked yesterday. And oh man, did this coin make us some money. And we invested $5,000 into this coin. But on that same day, it was already up like 25%. And I'm like, man, I should have waited for a pullback just a little bit so I can get in under $1. But then the coin kept pumping and pumping and pumping. And then this morning when I woke up, checked my investments, I saw that the graph was hitting all-time highs. And my initial $5,000 that I invested was $9,725. And I'm like, oh man, this is absolutely amazing. It almost doubled my investment in less than 24 hours, which is awesome. So far we have pulled back, and right now my $5,000 is worth $8,586. So the graph has done an amazing job so far, but I think this is just the start for the graph. So far we have invested $10,000 and we have made almost $4,000 in profit in just 2 days. But I believe this next coin that I'm about to release has huge potential and it can possibly do a 1x in the next couple of days. But before I show you coin number 3, I want to give a warning to all my new subscribers, to all the new people that are jumping into cryptocurrencies. Please do not fall for the scams in the comment section below. If somebody leaves you a comment telling you to message them on WhatsApp and gives you the number, do not fall for it. Those are just scammers trying to take your money. I am erasing hundreds of these scam comments every single day. And now the scammers are getting even more clever. They're pretty much creating fake YouTube accounts with my name, with my picture, and pretty much messaging people in my comment section trying to get them to send them some coins and scam them. So please be careful and do not fall for those scams. I will never message you. I do not use WhatsApp. I will never ask you to send me some Bitcoin or Ethereum or any cryptocurrency whatsoever. So please do not fall for those scams. And now let's jump right on to CoinMarketCap and pick out our next coin for this challenge. All right, so now we are on CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin above $46,000. Ethereum close to $1,800. Cardano hitting all-time highs. Once again, up 7% on the day and over 112% in the last 7 days. $1 for Cardano coming soon, probably by the end of the week. Polkadot also having a good day. Litecoin, pretty good. Binance doing a slight pullback, but they're up over 100% on the 7 days. Chainlink, another top coin that I believe everyone should own a little bit of, also doing good. Let's keep scrolling down. Man, this next coin is not in the top 10. It's not in the top 20. It is not in the top 30. It is not in the top 40. But remember, here's the graph though. We picked it when it was on the 42nd spot. And now it is spot number 34. Moving up in the world, the graph. I see you. I see you. All right, the next coin is not even on the first page. All right, now we're going to enter it right here in the search bar. And it is Band Protocol. Right now it is $15.62. It is doing a slight pullback. As I make this video, earlier on it was over $16. But that is the next coin. Band Protocol ranked number 104 on CoinMarketCap. What attracted me to this coin was the low market cap. It is just $322 million, which I believe is very small for a coin that is going to provide so much value in the space. Band Protocol is relatively a new coin, but they are already listed on Coinbase and Binance.us. So there's many places where you will be able to buy Band Protocol. Band Protocol is a cross-chain data oracle platform that pretty much connects the real world data with smart contracts. I believe this is going to be essential, especially in the future when all the major institutions, when everyday people start switching over to the blockchain. There's going to be something in the middle that connects everything. And I believe Band Protocol is going to be that middleman. So Band Protocol is listed on Binance.us and on Coinbase. But in this video, we are going to be buying it on Binance.us simply because they only charge a $25 fee for spending $5,000 buying Band Protocol. But on Coinbase, they charge $74 in order to buy $5,000 worth of Band Protocol. So we are going to be using Binance.us for this purchase. Also, check out the links in the description box below for Binance.us and Coinbase. And if you want to make some passive income, check out the BlockFi link in the description box below. And now let's buy some Band Protocol. So the first thing that we got to do is press buy crypto. And then right here, we are going to select BAND, Band Protocol. And we're going to enter in $5,000. That will give us 305 Band coins, which is pretty good. Then we're going to press buy Band, and then right here it will show us the confirmation page. As you can see, the price kept going up again, and we are buying it at $16 and about 26 cents. Purchase amount $4,975. The fee is $25, and the total amount invested is $5,000. So we're going to press agree, and we're going to press confirm purchase. All right, purchase in progress. Now we're going to go back to our wallet. All right, so now in our wallet, as you can see, we have 305.97 Band, which is absolutely amazing. Right now, it did go down a little bit, and it is worth $4,968.89. All right, everybody, we have just spent another $5,000 on coin number 3. So far, we have $15,000 invested, and I'll be making a video every single day showing you the progress for the next 30 days. And I'm hoping in the next 30 days, our $15,000 will be $100,000, which will be absolutely amazing. I believe Band is an excellent project, and I think that it can easily 5x to 10x in a very short amount of time. So I'm holding on to Band, I'm holding on to Uniswap, and I'm holding on to the graph for the next 30 days to see how much money we make. Or you never know, things can go south and we can lose the entire $15,000. But that is the risk that I'm willing to take because the opportunity, the potential of these 3 coins is absolutely amazing. I believe at the end of this 30-day challenge that everything is going to pay off and we're going to be sitting on some nice juicy profits. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for the latest coin picks, the latest updates, and the latest information on cryptocurrency. Also, let me know in the comments section below what is your top coin for 2021. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.